Welcome to tomorrow's classrooms today. Solving the Specimen Paper 1, Question 1, First Language English Reading, Examination from 2027. Candidates respond to a series of sub-questions. These include short answers that test understanding of both explicit and implicit meanings. Candidates read text A, horses, in the insert and then answer questions 1A to F. Question 1A is 1-mark retrieval question. Candidates write all their answers in the space provided on the question paper. It is aligned with the reading standard 5. Candidates read paragraph 1 to locate the precise answer. The text states Eopus or Don Horse. The use of the conjunction or gives us a clue to settle on answer Don Horse. Question 1b is a vocabulary in context question worth 2 marks with 2 sub-questions. Candidates break down the phrases to find clear synonymous meanings without repeating the words given in the question, then carefully combine the meanings to form strong, complete answers. Sub-question 1 is aligned with the reading standard 1. First, they locate the phrase in the given text and look for its explicit meaning. From the context, forest means a jungle, an area with trees, or a wooded place. And dweller means inhabitant, someone living in or occupier. Combining both meanings results in a comprehensive answer such as a jungle inhabitant, or someone living in an area with trees, or a wooded place occupier. Similarly, sub-question 2 is aligned with reading standards 1 and 2. Again, they locate the phrase in the given text and look for its explicit or implicit meaning. From the context, only faintly means hardly, scarcely, barely, just weakly, just slightly, or not much. And resembled means looked like or appeared similar to. Combining both meanings results in a comprehensive answer such as hardly, scarcely, barely looked like, or just weakly, just slightly, not much appeared similar to. Question 1c is a retrieval question worth 2 marks with a space provided for 2 bullet points. Candidates are expected to write the 2 ways under separate bullet points. It is aligned with reading standards 1 and 5. Candidates read paragraph 2 to identify key ideas, then separate the points while avoiding unnecessary detail. The text states that animals inspired artists as early as the Stone Age. Forming the first way, they were used as the subjects of art by cave painters. The text also states that animals provided transport. Forming the second way, they were used as means of transportation. Question 1d is an inferential question worth 2 marks, with space provided for 2 bullet points. Here, candidates learn how to read between the lines and turn evidence from the text into logical conclusions. It is aligned with the reading standards 2 and 5. Candidates read paragraph 3 to infer the answer. The text states the discovery of a frozen, mummified foal and ancient horse samples. From this, we can infer the first reason that physical proof was discovered showing that horses lived there a long time ago. The text also describes life-sized depictions of the creatures in cave art and mentions other domesticated animals such as goats, suggesting proximity. From this, we can infer the second reason that pictures of horses suggest that horses may also have been tamed at that time. Question 1E is dedicated to analytical responses with the two sub-questions worth 3 marks each, requiring at least 3 details. This includes selecting relevant evidence, explaining what is shown, and linking ideas back to the question. Sub-question 1 is aligned with reading standards 1, 2, and 3. Candidates read paragraphs 4 and 5 to consider different viewpoints. The first detail in paragraph 4 states that there were 3 lakh bone fragments, over 90% of which were derived from horses. From this, we can infer and analyze the first reason. Enormous collections of horse remains suggested horses were tamed in Botai. The second detail in paragraph 4 also provides evidence that mouthpieces used when riding horses may have damaged their teeth. From this, we can infer and analyze the second reason. Evidence of damaged teeth suggested that horses in Botai wore mouthpieces. The third detail in the same paragraph further states that scientists found pottery shards containing chemical traces of mare's milk. From this, we can infer and analyze the third reason. Ceramic remains suggested that the diet of people in Botai included horse milk. Sub-question 2 is also aligned with the reading standards 1, 2, and 3. Candidates read paragraphs 4 and 5 to infer and analyze the answer. The first detail in paragraph 5 states that scientists analyzed DNA and found that the horses in Botai were not the genetic origin of modern domestic horses. From this, we can infer and analyze the first reason. DNA analysis showed that Botai horses were not genetically linked to modern horses. The second detail in paragraph 5 also provides evidence that a distinct, smaller species was naturally prone to dental issues. From this, we can infer and analyze the second reason, an alternative explanation for the apparent damage to teeth. The third detail in the same paragraph further states that evidence from elsewhere indicates that horses may have been domesticated independently by different groups of people. From this, we can infer and analyze the third reason. Evidence from other locations suggests that horses were tamed by other groups. Finally, question 1F covers language analysis with the two sub-questions. These are aligned to reading standard 4, demonstrating how writers use specific words and phrases to create effects. Sub-question 1 is worth 2 marks, where candidates locate the word in the given text and consider its contextual meaning. From the context, explosion means sudden, overnight, not gradual, huge, massive, and impactful. It suggests a profound effect, whereas increased does not indicate how much it increased. Sub-question 2 is worth 3 marks, where candidates locate the given words or phrases in the text, consider their contextual meanings, and explain what they suggest. From the context, elegant suggests that horses are beautiful creatures. Living machines suggests that horses possess industrial level strength. And powered only by grass suggests that horses are fueled naturally. That's it for now. Thanks for learning tomorrow's lessons today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together. Welcome.